So I'm going to replace the valve cover, only the front one, because it's like leaking really bad. Well, not really bad, but as I noticed, yeah, there's some spots in here. So yeah, the front is easy to remove without disturbing the intake. So we got a bolt here and a bolt here. There's 5 of them. And then this one, and then we'll just disconnect the wire over here and move this one. So got the bolts out, and I'll just disconnect this plug in there. Yeah, they're tough. They are tough. I need 2 hands for this. Yep. So I was able to disconnect the cable here from here, and you can move this aside. Now you got a clear view here, but we need to take out the ignition coils first. Using a number 6 socket, hex socket. Take out these coils. The 3 ignition coils out, and we're ready to take this out. We need to take out this hose actually. Yeah, probably, you see, probably easiest on this side. Yep, probably this side is easiest. I think that's the only one. Well, I'm removing the, I'm actually loosening the bolts here, and they were torqued really tight. Yeah, this shouldn't be tight though. Yeah, I think they tighten it so that it will not leak. So I got all the bolts loose. The only thing different is that this bolt is yeah, different from the rest. So I'll just put it here, top, and I'm gonna pry the bulb cover out. So it's really easy to pry this out. Yep, it's loose now. Let's see if I could. Yep. Well, interesting. That's the blue FEL-PRO gasket. So I took out the PCV valve, and yeah, it looks nasty. I'm gonna clean it. Looks like there's a difference between the FEL-PRO and this brand here. I don't know if this is the Honda brand, but it has like a notch in here. The FEL-PRO doesn't have any, yeah, which is bad. This one has it. It goes into here, and this one here. So I don't know if that makes a difference, but I think it makes a difference because it actually makes the gasket fit. Probably it's for fitment, I guess, but I don't know. For the PCV valve is also like really flat, so I need to find some thin o-ring out there to replace it. I have it there already. Then I put in the new gasket, and yep, there's nothing in there. Yep, there's no notch in there, but it fits. And then new rubber grommets for the bolts. I have to, yeah, the old one is hard to take out because they pretty much turn hard. They're not brittle though, so they're still okay.